Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Simulation Corner. In this video, I will show you how you can draw a curved pipe on a curved surface. Uh, so at first, you need to take a plane. Let's take one plane. Then you need to draw something. Okay, let me draw a pot. Now click on Feature. Click here Revolved Gauge Base. By default, the axis of revolution is selected as line 4, but we need to clear this selection and click this line. This is our axis of revolution. Here you can see this is a curved surface. So we will draw a pipe here, a curved pipe. So you again need to click on front plane, click here sketch. Now click here convert entities. Now entities to convert. Okay, you can see I have selected a corner. You can select this corner also if you need. Okay, now I can draw a line or anything from here. Now click on spline for curve. Click here. Okay. You can change the curve like this. You can also use the measurement if you need. I want to make this line parallel. Okay. Again, select spline. Okay. Now, okay. You can see the curve line. Now we are going to make a circular pipe. So we need to draw a ellipse here. So before that, you need to take a plane, click on reference geometry, plane, right plane. Now second reference is, and third reference is, okay, fine. Select the first reference as front line, front plane. Now you need to sketch a ellipse on that plane, plane 1. Click on ellipse. Just draw. Okay. Now click this point, press Ctrl and click here. Make the relation coincident. Okay. You can adjust it. Let's make it 5.5. Okay. I'm just showing how you can draw. Now we need to draw another plane here. So click on again reference plane. Same reference is now click here. Again front plane. Click OK. Now again create a sketch here. Click on ellipse. Just draw ellipse. Now again click this point, press Ctrl and click here. Make the relation coincident. Okay. You can adjust it. Let's make it true. Okay. Our task is almost complete. Now click here, Lofted Warspace. Sketch 4 is already selected. Then again click this here, guide curves. Click this curve, click on here, okay, and here, okay. You can see our curve object is ready with a curved surface. You can hide these planes. Okay. Now you can use surface, offset surface or shell. Make it 0.5 millimeter. Show preview. Now you can see let me see the cross-sectional view. Okay, you can see here